Let's explore how to use the graphic overlay feature in GEM to upload and display your GIS data directly on the map. This feature allows you to integrate your own geospatial data with GEM's powerful tools and layers, enabling you to visualize, analyze, and make informed decisions based on your unique datasets. Click File in the Legend panel to open the dialog. Hovering on the Help icon provides additional instructions and recommended projections. Click Choose File to browse for your GIS file. Select the file and click Open. Once your file is selected, click Load to upload it. Note that this tool only loads the file into your private browser session until you close your browser. After loading, you can customize your overlay. Change the title and select a color. Selecting the Zoom to Extent checkbox will adjust the map view to display all the data. Finally, click Add to display your overlay on the map. The graphic overlay feature in GEM makes it easy to visualize your GIS data alongside GEM's powerful tools and layers. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos to learn more about GEM.